Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I'll just show you how to install KTM's handlebar in Pulsar. It can be any other bike also. Let's begin. First, you'll have to disassemble the top T-plate which is present in your bike. As you can see here, mine is a Pulsar 135. It has a 3-piece handlebar. I've already removed that handlebar and I've installed a Pulsar 180 old model's handlebar using two handlebar holders. Now I'll just remove this and I'll show you how to install KTM's handlebar. The process is same for any model of Pulsar or any other bike also which is having a 2-piece or 3-piece handlebar. Let's begin. As you can see guys, this is the top T-plate of Pulsar. This T-plate is same for any model of Pulsar, whether it is NS or Pulsar 150 or 135. We'll have 4 holes here. But right now I'll show you how to install KTM's handlebar in this. This is the KTM's handlebar. You can see the thickness of this is too huge compared to other handlebars. So we will have to do one thing. This right here is KTM Duke 250's handlebar holder. We'll have to cut this. This is the KTM's handlebar holder. It comes like this. If you place it directly over here, there won't be enough space. So I just made a cut with these two pieces. Handlebar holder will look like this. What we should do is we'll just have to cut these pieces like this, so that we'll have two separate pieces. One will get fixed over here and the other one will get fixed over here. Then we can easily install the KTM's handlebar. It can be here or here. As you wish, you can just fix it. I'll show you how to do that. As you can see guys, this much of space was required between both the pieces. It's around 4 mm, as you can see here. Since this much space was there, was not enough, we had to cut this clamp and we have to fit it separately like this. As you can see guys, we have finished installing KTM Duke 200 handlebar in pulsar. The process is very simple. You'll have to remove the 2-piece handle which is on pulsar. Then you'll have 4 holes like this, 1, 2 and 3, 4. Then you'll have to get a KTM's handlebar holder like this. Cut it equal in between. Place one end this side, other end this side, and just install the KTM handlebar in this. The reason why I'm doing this is KTM 200's handlebar, as you can see here, it's a bit wide and fat compared to other handlebars. You cannot use any other handlebar holder. You'll have to use the same KTM handlebar holder, but the distance between this end and this end is small, so we'll have to cut it like this and install 2 separate pieces, one on this side and the other on this side. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, hit a like and do comment below if you have any doubts. Thank you.